Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Pixie channel where we do fun sewing projects and crafts. I'm Bee. If you're new or old to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. It really means a lot to me. In today's video, we're making a spooky wreath. I was at a store that shall not be named, and I saw a $40 wreath that had like nothing on it. I'm like, I can do way better than this. So this is what I came up with. Isn't it so cute? Look at the little Pinterest. Yeah. I found a little thing that I absolutely loved and I just had to do it. But look, I added some little like vine fruit thingies and some lights. Can you see the lights? Hold on. Can you see them? It's just something, you know, it's gonna go on the door outside, so when people come and knock on the door or deliver packages, because yes, I am shopping for Christmas already, they're gonna see the cute little wreath. It's gonna catch their eye. You know, there's so much to talk about. This is the first video of October. Yay! I'm so excited. I get to fully embrace my spookiness. Isn't it wonderful? If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload every Wednesday at 9 a.m. And leave a comment in the comment section down below and give this video a thumbs up. It gives me great encouragement to keep going. One more thing before we get to materials and get started. I have created a monster in my family. I'm not joking. Everyone is now inspired to create stuff. So, I want to show you what my now 10-year-old made. We went to the dollar store and she was all like, "Can I make one?" And I was like, yes, you can. So we bought some cute little things and I was all like, "Why don't you like wrap the foam or something?" And she's like, "No, simplicity is the best." And it works for her. Isn't that cute? And then my 5-year-old with my best friend made this one. Right? With the cute little garland and the little bat. Isn't that just the cutest thing ever? Yeah, I'm so proud of them. They're so happy with it. And I had to share. So, without further ado, let's get to materials and get started. All right, for this video, you're going to need a foam wreath or a wire wreath, whichever you prefer. You're going to need something to cut the stems of the flowers. You're going to need some lights if you want. Assorted flowers of your choice. This is really up to you, very customizable. And I got some skulls. You're also going to need glue sticks. I got these at the dollar store. And then you're going to need a hot glue gun. I got this at Target. I'll have a link in the description below for you. And then you're going to need something that you can work on that you're not going to worry about destroying. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you kind of want to figure out where you want to place everything. As you can see, I have a bunch of holes in my foam already because I've been playing. But it's pretty self-explanatory. You know, find where you want stuff to go and press it in lightly a little bit. Now remember, when you have it hanging, the bottom part, you're going to have to tilt forward just a little bit. Just like the top part, you're going to have to tilt forward just a little bit so you don't have any unnecessary open spaces. So then just, you know, randomly grab flowers. I've cut them down to size so they have a little bit of a stem so that when I stick it in I can adjust if need be. But you come through and you're just gonna Put it in like so. Every once in a while, you know, step back. Make sure you still are liking what you're doing. Oops. Sometimes you have to be a little bit forceful. And you can get your flowers anywhere. You know, Joann's, dollar store, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Old Time Pottery, anything like that. I think I'm gonna stick, actually I'm gonna stick some greenery, like right here. You don't want to crowd anything. You just kind of want to move everything around, and you're just placing things. You're not making anything permanent yet, so you don't really have to worry. You know, you can always move stuff around. All right. This is what feels good to you with what you're doing. And of course, it's being stubborn. All right, so I'm going to continue on and be right back. All right, so I went ahead and I hot glued these into place because I was really happy with the way it looked. So now we're just going to come through and we're going to start fidgeting a little bit. For these, I have big plans for these. I cut the back off of my skull, and then we're going to glue it right into the center. Isn't that, I love it. Okay, so we're gonna take it, and I have my glue gun on the low setting, and we're just going to push the glue stick in so it'll actually do something. There we go. Okay. And we're going to take it and we're just going to place it right in the center and hold it a few seconds so it stays in place. And now you have yourself a little skull flower. Isn't that really cute? All right, and then we're going to take it and we're going to attach it right here because this is where I found that it looks super cute. So you literally just fill the hole with some hot glue. The goal here is to not have anything fall out. And then stick the flower right in, push down for a few seconds. And now you have it resting right in place. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing to this one. I'm filming in a different location today, if you can't tell. All right, we're gonna do the same thing to this one. I'm gonna let that dry a little over here. All right, and then come right here, and don't worry, at the end you can always get the little pieces of the glue ribbon, and you can get it and clean it up. That's not a problem. And if you wanted to leave it, they kind of look like spider webs. And then we're going to take some of these sparkly ones. I got these at Joann's in the Halloween department, or section, I should say. We're going to just put a little hot glue on the stem. You want to do this on the low setting because if you're working with foam, it has a tendency to melt a little bit, and you don't want to destroy your project before you get a chance to enjoy it. So then just do that and stick it into place. Turn it till you find a spot that you like. We're going to come over and we're going to do it to over here too. This one doesn't have as long as this stem. You do want, when you're cutting your flowers off of its stems, just leave a little bit. That way it's going to hold better when you're attaching it. Alright, and every once in a while you want to get up and you want to see if you're like what you're doing. And I do, we're good. Alright. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like the camera footage. I have my very dear friend filming it for me because it would look really weird if it was super static like my other ones. Alright, so then we're going to take our other big black one. We're going to stick it up at the top. Now remember, this is going to be the top of the wreath, so you want to make sure that you angle the flower down a little bit, because no one's going to see the top of this wreath unless you have it really low where it's hanging. Make sure you hold them in place. Alright, I'm going to do a little bit more and then I will be back, okay? Okay, I'm back and I got a little excited and ended up just finishing the wreath before I knew it, I was done. So I'm just going to walk you through pretty much what I did and give you a little show of the final product. Basically, I went through and then any spaces that were left between the flowers, like the main flower pieces, I literally just filled in with leaves. Made sure, you know, you hot glue them and everything like that. You can use garland instead of leaves if you want to. If you find a really cute like Halloween or fall garland, that is a super cute idea as well. And then when I was done, I attached these little like vine fruit things. I'm not 100% sure what they are, but they're cute and I love them on the wreath. And then I went through and I hot glued a string of mini lights all the way around just to give it an added little something on the door when it's outside so that people, you know, notice that there's something there. But that's pretty much, it's super customizable. You get the flowers that you want, you get the materials that you want, you make it the size you want, and it's yours. It's something to be very proud of when you're done, definitely. So voila, here it is. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to know when I upload every Wednesday. And give this video a thumbs up. And also leave a comment in the comment section down below. And until next time, see ya!